Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a drill machine to repair. Customer said there is no power. Let's see. Plug it. Turn it on. Yeah. So yeah, no power. It's dead. So let's see how to fix it.
Yeah, we need to remove the screws.
Yeah, we have to remove this pin. Yeah, we have to be very patient here, very slowly. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay dear viewers, I hope I have found the problem. See, this problem is broken. Yeah, broken cable from switch. That's why this switch is not working, because it's burned. Okay, so it will be easy to repair. Just see, it has come from there. It's broken. Yeah, so I'll fix a new one connector, then it will be back. Yeah, okay dear viewers, yeah, I fixed there. See, so I should get continuity there. So to terminal we have continuity, so that means inshallah our big. Yeah, so I'll fix all the screws, then video will be back. Okay dear viewers, I have fixed some of screws. Let's test it. How is it? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, it's working fine. Okay dear viewers, I fixed all the screws. Let's check finally. Turn on the plug. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's working fine. So it's working fine. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.